last and the worst one. Good morning, intramurals 2026. This is gonna be the worst and the last intramurals that I will be experiencing here. The worst intramurals. Thank you, see.
Hi everyone! So, just a quick intro. So, this is Karen Avelia and welcome back again sa ating YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I will explain why did I say the first clip. Naririnig niyo naman, diba? Kung bakit ko sinabi yon and how was my experience this year intramural. So, yung intramurals namin, naganap siya last February. So, ngayon ko lang siya ma-upload. It's because na-busy kami sa school. So, the main reason why kung bakit na sasabi ko this is the worst intramurals that I ever experienced here in Talisay City College. It's because the last 3 years na intramurals na aking na-experience, it's super good. It's super duper good. Why? I mean, I was in first year. Enjoyed talaga kami. Ang dami naming nasalihan na mga activities and all. And that was a very engaging intramurals ever. Tapos yung collaboration, it's very, very giving. And then when I was in second year college, so that was fun and also engaging yung aming intramurals. Although we are so busy preparing for our intramurals, but still worth it talaga lahat from first year, second year, and third year. So supposedly when we are in second year is champion kami ang whole Trojans na team, and then third year champion din kami, and fourth year supposedly charot lang, hindi mo natin alam. So yeah, the main reason why kung bakit ko nasasabi yun, first thing first, so supposedly yung aming intramurals is magaganap na December. So since there's so many unexpected negative na nangyayari, yung malino, bagyo, and all, super dami nangyayari. So the intramurals is being cancelled and moved to the next year, so which is February 2026. So this year na siya nangyayari, so last February. And then secondly, bakit na napaka-worst ng aming intramurals para sa akin, yung aming t-shirt, yung aming binabayaran. So it's not worth it. Mabibili mo lang siya sa Shopee, and then aside sa mabibili mo lang siya sa Shopee is I think, based on my perception, based on my point of view, I think it's AI. It's made of AI. Nga no? Ba't hindi siya no? Ba't yung naka-print out doon sa aming intramurals, bakit hindi mukha ng aming mga participants? Bakit iba? Ba't iba? Sino yun? Diba? And then, although meron silang mga activities, but it's not giving, it's not engaging, there's no collaboration. Okay, so hindi siya I'm not happy. So maraming students na nag-complain kung bakit ganun yung t-shirt namin, kung bakit ganyan, hindi siya worth it. It's been issue, but yeah, that's life. We have to face what are kung ano yung mga nangyari na. So, parang wala lang. Parang lang yung flood control. Ganon yung nangyari. Nawala lang parang bula. So, yeah. Yan yung aking point of view kung bakit pinaka-worst yung intramurals this year. And this is, I can say that this is gonna be the last and the most worst intramurals I ever had in my life. So, yeah, that's all for this video. I hope that you can understand my point of view, because I just want to enjoy the intramurals, and the intramural should be engaging, should be fun, and also should be relaxing. And we have to be also to meet a new friends, camaraderie, to make camaraderie with others, but nothing happened though. Yeah, that would be all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you can understand me. Bye, and see you on my next video.